take away that stigma. And I was stuck for the second verse, and then he told me a further story about another Tipperary man, Dan Breen, who shot the first shots of the Irish War of Independence. There were shot in pairs coming down the stairs by Sean Tracy and Dan Breen. Great lines. But my father was a senator as well. We met him. He said, Dan, what was it like to have killed a man? And Dan said, the ghosts of those men haunt me every night. And I had my second verse. So if you want to back me up, I'd be very pleased with it. We'll start something like this. G.
G.
The drums are silent and the guns are still. The men from the war come back over the hill. Don't start counting heroes. There are too many gaps to be filled. The one truth about war is it kills. Oh, the cow strayed into the heather, mother. Will there be no milk for the tea? And all the time